if you can get the inches for less money, girl, go on Amazon. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this Amazon hair. So if you want to see this video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, share. I said subscribe. Okay, like, comment down below, and make sure you share this video. So let's get started with the video.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unbox with me. So this is the product. Well, you can't see it, but it's a human hair wig from Amazon. So you know me, I like these cheap human hair wig, but the company, however, reached out to me to review this wig. So I'm gonna just go over with you guys like the hair before I start unboxing it, just telling you guys what it says on the site, and then when we open it, we'll see it for ourselves. Okay, so let me go ahead and start the screen recording so you guys can see. So the hair, the brand is from McCarthy, and the hair is a 26-inch lace front wig. It is straight and it have a 4x4 lace closure. It is in black and the density is 150. The hair is, I told you, as I said before, it's 26-inch. The price on Amazon, it is $128.99. So you know, that's affordable for a 26-inch. I see people selling 26-inch hair for like $400, $500. So if you can get the inches for less money, girl, go on Amazon. So yes, so I'm gonna leave the link also down below so you guys can go ahead, click that link, and go buy that hair. So right here, the detail, as I mentioned before, the hair type is straight, color natural black. The brand, it's McCarthy. The material, human hair. Hair type, and it's straight. So right here, I'm gonna just show you guys how it's looking on others that review the hair company pictures. So so this is what we're seeing right here. It looks really nice. It looks very full. And this is also a 100% human hair. So 100% Brazilian virgin human hair. So this is how everything is looking. Let's see those reviewers, how it's looking. So I'm gonna just click on this review. So that looks really good. I like the song, but you guys can hear it. Alright, so let me see this one. Yeah, it looks very full. Okay, all right, enough of that. So let's just go ahead and open the box. Let me just stop this recording. So let's just go ahead and open the box to see exactly what's in there. So I'm gonna just open it right here. Let me see. Okay. So this is how the box is looking. This is nice. My hair is in my mouth. Okay, and it's customized fashion. Okay, so the box it just look basic, but it's nice. The quality feels good. So now let me just open it. So this is what's in the box. So you have your wig cap right here. What is this? Some lashes. And then of course your hair. This, ooh, girl, I'm gonna be looking good today. Look at this. This is so nice. This is, and it's, look at that, 26 inches. Okay, they take the short hair off, you know. Oh, if you guys haven't watched how I installed this here, you guys go ahead and watch it. The video is up on the channel, so you guys can watch it. And this here is very inexpensive too. It was like under $100. So yeah, it's open. Ooh, nice. This hair is nice. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Look at that. Looks so nice. Okay. Ooh, girl. This feels so nice. Okay. It does have a little bit of factory smell, but that's okay. So this is how the hair is looking, like the inside of it right here. It comes with, let me see, it comes with 4 combs, so 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back, and then it have 2 adjustable straps right here. It has 2 adjustable straps at the side, and it is pre-plucked. Let me show you guys. You can see right here, it is pre-plucked, so it's looking so nice. So, oh my lord, look at this. Inches upon inches. This is super nice. And it's full too. Okay guys, so I'm going to install this here so you guys can see it. But tell me what you think about this unboxing. Leave your comment down in the comment section down below. Tell me if you are going to get this here. This here is so nice. It's so thick. Let's see if I can show you. It's so thick, super thick. Wow. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure you guys go ahead, like this video, comment down below, share the video to your social media, your Facebook, Instagram, your TikTok, whatever social media you use, just share the video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of the Peaches family. Once we reach 4,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So go ahead and subscribe. And maybe I will be giving away this wig. You never know. You never know. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye.